My name is Jelena, and today we're going to show you how to load topography data into Equator and download it into your local coordinate system. Choosing the correct coordinate system is important because it will ensure that all of your geospatial files line up, and you'll have no problem opening these files seamlessly in your preferred software, whether that's CAD or GIS. First, we'll select a location of interest. In this case, I'll be looking at this interchange just outside of Austin, Texas. I'll click on New Site, then center the area I'm interested in this window. And I'll select Continue. Now remember, if you are working on linear infrastructure, you can always select a custom site boundary and draw it yourself if the square isn't suitable for your work. Next, I'll select the type of topography data that I want. This method will work for any of these data types. For what I'm doing today, I'm going to select contours. Here, when I go to select my source data set, I'm going to select the highest quality USGS one and hit Continue. For resolution and interval, today I'm going to select 2-foot resolution and a 2-foot interval. The progress bar will show you the status of your download. When they're loaded into my map, I'll click the download button to access all of the options for customizing my download. Here, I'll select the shapefile file format. I also know that in this area, I'm looking for the Texas Central Coordinate System. If I search for that here by name, I'll select the NAD83 Texas Central Coordinate System, and I'll make sure to select the one that says feet US, because I know that I'm going to be working in imperial units. I'm also going to check this box that says make this coordinate system the default for my project, because I'll be doing my future work in the same area, and that'll just save me those clicks in the future. And here, I'll select process. Once the download is complete, it will show up in the downloads folder of my browser. And you'll see the zip file that I've received here has all of the components of a shapefile. If I need to refer to the details of my download in the future, I can also open the HTML file with the same file name as the zip folder that I got. Here I can see the details about the dataset that this was created with, the horizontal coordinate system, and the vertical coordinate system. From here, you can go on to open your file in whatever software you'd like. Just make sure you set the coordinate system before you begin in CAD. Check out some of our other videos on building surfaces in CAD, working with contours in GIS, or even building 3D surfaces in SketchUp.